Hello everyone, it's August and we are here at the store hiding for a bit on a Tuesday to set up this video, and this is about our website. This is a year old now, and this is just a little introduction to what the website looks like and how to use it. And first of all, there's this. This is an important page. This is an important part of the page. So you go to our website, you're going to head to the store, not sure about our hours. Look at this part of the website because it tells you exactly when we're open, what we're doing, and all those things. So this will change because this will be August coming up. Then we hit these, and these are the tabs to what you're looking for. So if you're looking for a particular thing, you can narrow it down by putting it into any of these things. So we're going to tab away at this, but I'm going to move over to the other device we've got here, just because the screen on that one is also linked to what I see, and there are things on there that come up that it just makes it more awkward. So we're back to this one, which is faster. So we're going to look for yarn. I'm going to shop for some yarn. So there is all the yarn. Now this is all the yarn in alphabetical order. So I try, when I put them in, put the name of the company and then the yarn. So these are all in alphabetical order, if I haven't misspelt them, and there are 13 pages. So you can narrow it down a little bit. So we go in here. You can narrow it down to, say, just the fingering. Oh, we hit gifts and home. So we've hit gifts. We've hit gifts because my finger's too big. So we've got these new little pouches. So we can select options. So there's some nice little Fibers of Life pouches that are on sale. Shows you what I've put in the inventory. And there's a green with a flower, and it's $7.50, and there is one. And you can add it to your cart. So then when you go back up to the cart, you can check out from that. And then this part, even if you're going to do an online or an in-store pickup, you have to fill in all this information. It won't default out of that. That's just the way it is. But it will eventually ask you to go to PayPal. So once you've filled all this in, it'll go to PayPal. It'll actually figure out the shipping. So you can choose shipping, but it won't default until it knows where you are. So you have to fill all that in. If you do want this item and you don't want to go through all this and you want to just phone the store, just let me know what you're looking for, and we will be happy to pull that off the online store and get it to you. It takes a bit to navigate, but we do have a lot of products on here. But that being said, we have way more in the store, and I don't have everything up. There is a little bit of a secret with the website. If it shows only one or two of a color of yarn, particularly something like Heritage, the Breaks and Little Heritage, and the Regal, it may only show two colors, but it actually has, we have more than that. And so we go to the Heritage here, I'll show you. So it will tell you that, oh, I do have 11 dark gray. Oh, that's the numbers. Sorry, let me get down here. A 6 in stock. But a lot of times if it says just 2 in stock, I actually have more. I just don't want to be in a position where I promised somebody that there's going to be 10 of a color in store and then found out that I'd sold 2 the day before and I forgot to take them off the website. So if you see something on here, because we have a lot of colors of Heritage, and as I said, maybe 2 only online, but we have more in the store. So give us a call and we'll pull those for you. We'll do our own version of an emails back and forth, online order, that kind of thing, e-transfer, all those things. So that works too. So this is a way of just looking at what we've got in the store. And if you ever get lost, just hit that part, this is the Soper Creek Yarn part, and it'll take you back home, and then you can start again. Great tool, we really like it, and it's changing all the time. I do reduce the clearance products probably once a month. So as things sell down, I will reduce it again, and eventually it will be. Then if there's only a few left, we pull them and put them on the floor here in the store, and those that come in will find some really good deals. So that's us. I hope you have a good month, and take a minute and peruse this, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.